everyone, today I'm gonna be making homemade corn dogs. Let's go for the ingredients. The ingredients are half cup of milk, 1 egg, half tablespoon of baking powder, 4 hot dogs, 4 skewers, 1/4 cup of sugar, half cup of flour, and 1 cup and a half of cornmeal mix. First thing you're gonna have to do, you get the skewers and you put the hot dog in. When you finish putting the hot dogs in the sticks, you're gonna mix the other ingredients. In a large bowl, you put the egg and the milk first. I put the other ingredients. And if you have to mix it's like this to dry, you can put a little more milk. It can be, the most has to be a cup. You're just gonna pour a little bit more and you keep mixing. You wanna get a soft mixture. So a half cup or a little more, you just, as you mix, you get the filling. When you see the batter gets creamier, then it's good. You don't need to put more milk or anything. You're just gonna dip the hot dogs. Don't forget to get aside a fry pan, put some oil, and let's do this. Now get the hot dog and you just dip in there. I have a spoon. Make sure it gets the whole, all the sides. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, clicking the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook page, YouTube, Marley's Kitchen. Go there, like and share with your friends, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!